Sketch Blooms here, and today we are transforming this dusty old wall clock into something aesthetic because honestly, why buy expensive room decor when you can customize your own? This clock has been sitting in my room looking dusty and boring for so long, so today we are fixing that. And yeah, this is officially the start of my room transformation series. These all are the materials we will be using today, and art materials are actually so expensive for no reason. But anyway, let's start. First, I opened the entire wall clock, removing the screws, the bag, the glass, basically taking every single part. And trust me, I was trying so hard not to break anything. I placed newspaper all over the table because this was about to get messy. Before painting, I sanded the surface properly to make everything smooth. Then I spray painted the whole clock white. For this clock, I wanted a seaside theme, so first I painted the sandy area at the bottom. Then I added the ocean colors, the water, and little waves. And the shading made everything look so much better. After the paint dried, I started putting the clock back together, tightening all the screws, cleaning the glass, and adding the final detail. I already made these letters before, so I placed them on the clock. Then I added seashells, pearls, and tiny decorations to give it that soft seaside aesthetic. And finally, it was done. From dusty and boring to something creative.